Morning folks, how are you? Nick here. Welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today. I'm doing a charter, a school group down to the city, up in Highgate, Dunedin here. So today I'm in a 2009 M.A.N 16240. Really nice urban bus. It's used more for charter work these days, this one, but it's got the more modern M.A.N dash layout here, which I'm reasonably familiar with from other organisations, but it's really nice. Good dial selector for the transmission there, door controls, good digital dash layout there as well. So yeah, just a nice well laid out coach. 39 seated, 23 standing on this one. Still we walk around the outside of it. But guys, I'll leave it there for now. I'll get back to you soon, but I'm just going to go and take these folks down to town. Cheers. How are we going, guys? All done for the day, done my group. Back at the yard, GoBus yard, Johnson's yard in Dunedin, so all done. But now that we've got some better light, just wanted to give you one more little walk around the Designline built 2009 M.A.N vehicle here. It's got some slightly better light. So yeah, nice smooth bus. Not the quickest one on the hills, but she goes alright. But yeah, that's me all done. Hey guys, just a quick one today, but thanks again for watching. Really appreciate the support. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Awesome stuff. If you are enjoying the content and you do want to make sure you don't miss out on any future videos, please do subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys next time. Cheers.